We'll guide you through how to make an automatic firework launcher in Minecraft. So first of all, we need to start by getting some repeaters, 4 to be precise, and you need to go and make a circle with them, like so. And then what you need to do is go and join these up with redstone dust, like that. And what you want to do is fully open up the repeaters as well. Then what you need to do is from one of the corners, put a few pieces and then go and put a repeater facing away from the circuit, just like I did there. Then go and put a few more pieces of redstone like so. You then want to start branching off and you want to choose how many dispensers you want. I just want 3, so I've done it like this. Then what you want to do is go and place your dispensers facing up, of course, for the fireworks. And now you want to go and right click on the dispensers and start by putting some fireworks in there. And start by putting some fireworks in there just like so. So I only put 10, you could put more or less, it's going to be up to you. Now what you want to do is temporarily break one bit of redstone here just while we go and set up the circuit. And what we're going to do is go and place a redstone torch quickly and then go and break it like so. Now as you can see, we've gone and created a circuit here. And then what we can do is go and reconnect it up to the dispensers like so, and we've now made the automatic launcher. If you guys found this useful, then please leave a like.